Let's see how to start a new job in CYPE Connect. The initial screen in the program displays a window with three sections: File, Recent Files, and Help. In File, there are three options: New for creating new jobs, File Manager for entering the path to any existing job, and Examples for installing and opening any of the example jobs included in the program. The Recent Files section of the pop-up window displays a list of the paths to the most recently opened jobs, which we can access directly with a single click. From Help, we can access documents and informative links, and from About, we can consult the program version and license number. All of these options can always be accessed from the program's general interface. On the right-hand side, in the program's title bar, we use the Connect option to establish the connection with our BIM Server Center user by typing in our credentials. Once we are connected, our username in the platform will be displayed in this area, and we can even disconnect from the session to access with other credentials. We are now going to create a new job. To do this, we click on New and type in the file name. We click on Browse if we wish to modify the path where the job is saved. Then, we type in the description for the job underneath and click on Accept. Then, the project selection window appears. By checking the top box, we can link the job to a BIM Server Center project. If we do so, our user account will appear in the center. At the bottom, the program allows us to select between two options. We can click on Select Project to choose a BIM Server Center project that has already been created, or use the Create New Project option to do so now. In this case, we select a previously created BIM Server Center project. By clicking on Accept, we access the Import of BIM Models panel, where we can preview the information of the BIM model that has been developed there. Here, we can also carry out the project selection. In the table in the center, we can select the files we wish to include by checking the Import box in each of them. Additionally, the application or program with which each file has been generated, the name of the project, its description, and the date are displayed. In the Options section, we check the box to generate nodes automatically if necessary. This way, the program will not only read the information from the bars, but it will also create the nodes in the intersections. After we click Accept, a window opens where the bars that have been identified in the files containing information on the structure are displayed. The type, description, and material are indicated, as well as the number of bars. By clicking on the cells of the cross-section column, we can consult the data corresponding to the cross-section of the bars and modify them as necessary. We check the boxes on the right to import each of the bar groups. Finally, we click on Accept again. This will allow us to access the program's general interface, where we will be able to carry out our work. If we have activated the automatic generation of nodes, they will appear in the table on the left-hand side, while the imported structure will appear in the viewer on the right.